They hit me, but I'm Australian citizen. They hit me, but See, this happened to me when I was crossing airport.